All right, y'all. We are live on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. Blessings to everybody. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah, I do pray everybody watching is super blessed. Gotta fix my hat, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Turns out XRP is not a security. And so what does this mean? It means Bitcoin has pumped up to the top of the range where we are currently facing our last major resistance. Our last major resistance before we hit our juicy take profits that we have been holding forever. Okay, literally forever, guys. Ever since the setup that was given in the Casper Crew VIP Discord swing long, hodling out on this trade, guys, since literally the 14th of June 2023. I made a promise that I was going to hold this trade to $42,000 a month ago, and here we are 1 month later. Are we finally going to break out of this bull flag that we've been trading in now for 17 years? We're going to be discussing that today. Okay, shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Steven Zora, he took a short. Shout out to Tony DiLorenzo, good afternoon, sir. Shout out to Infanti, Bitcoin breaking out. XRP going to €1 today. Is that a euro? I don't know. I'm an American. We don't know anything besides the dollar. That's not going to work out so good for me in the next few years, is it? Guys, walking the uptrend. Yeah, we're going to walk the uptrend, man. Got to get those steps in. Got to get that cardio in. Shout out to Block Gambit. What is going on? Feels like 18 years. Yeah, it does, J-Boy Bullish. It's only been 17 years that we've been trading in this little consolidation. Okay, I'm in a few trades, guys. I took a degen long on ZOOMEX right here. I actually took a short right here. I took a short here, shorted it down, hit a TP1 on the short, and then I took a degen long when we came back down to retest a naked daily point of control. If we take a look at the chart right here, we can see that the Bitcoin price came up to the local zone of resistance that we had in the chart. Casper Crew VIP Discord. Took a short from here, brought it down to this level, support resistance flip. Figured, you know what? Degen long time. Took a degen long trade. While I was harvesting potatoes with my wife, I said, hey, Big Butts 28, that's my wife, should I take a degen long right now? And she said, yeah, why not? I said, all right. Okay, let's go for it. Let's go for it. Shout out to Divine Hood. What a crazy day. I didn't see that Europe approved the spot ETF. My thoughts about retiring with all them gains? Heck no, bro. I will never retire. That's not even a word in my vocabulary. First of all, I don't have a job to retire from. And second of all, if I can't work, why would I even live? I love working. I love working. I was just out in the field all day harvesting some food, eating all those carbohydrates. All right. Shout out to JT. Shout out to JT, my man. Shout out to 10 pence. All right, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. We're going to be taking a look at XRP. Shout out to J Armo. All right. Huge pump and dump. All right, it might be a pump and dump. It might be a pump and dump. All right, we're gonna have to wait and see. Okay, this very well may be a pump and dump. We're gonna have to wait and see. All right, I have a hunch that it's gonna be a pump and pump. All right. I have a hunch that it's going to be a pump and pump, guys. All right, we are back up toward the top of the range. Now, very interesting, right? This is very, very interesting here. We are back up toward the top of the range, where I'm currently still holding a short trade from the top of the range. I'm in a long trade from the bottom of the range. I'm holding a swing trade from basically the low, literally, to the dang dollar. Setup given in the Casper crew. And I am in this DGen long trade, stop loss at entry. Locked in a $475 profit here. Let's see what is going on the chart. First of all, we do need to take a look right now at our good friend XRP. All right, we need to take a look at our good friend XRP. Can you believe this? This looks hilarious. This pump looks absolutely hilarious, guys. Look at this XRP pump chart, man. Absolutely insane. All right, let's take a look at XRP. Is this the ByBit one? Let's take a look at Binance. Wow. Wow. All right. So, just at a first glance, taking a look at XRP here. All right. At first glance, I do see that we have indeed come up and kind of taken these highs right here. This is the zone where we're currently finding a little bit of local resistance on the daily chart here. And from that high, we have already come down about 19%. All right, XRP is already dumping about 19%. Let me go ahead and turn on Market Cipher B. By the way, guys, make sure to like the stream. If we can get 1,500 likes with no bots in here, well, I'll be giving away $1,000. I'll be giving away $1,000 if we can get no bots, 1,500 likes. I just can't wait to give away $1,000 for 1,500 likes. All right. So let's kind of analyze what has happened here with XRP. This is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. So, I have to say, guys, I'm a little bit sad because I did long here and I closed out the trade when we started to come back down toward this area. Man, what a bad move that was. Okay. Let's take a look at some volume that has traded here for XRP as well. You're going to just be looking at this. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely insane. This is pretty bullish for crypto in general, guys. The fact that XRP is not a security and that they won the lawsuit. This is very bullish. All right. So let's think to ourselves, where would we want to like long XRP? You know, where would we want to long XRP? Because if this is legitimately bullish, obviously, I'm not in an XRP long, right? So where would I look now to long this animal? Where would I look to long this animal? This is crazy. We would need some kind of a pullback. We would need some kind of a pullback. And what really stands out to me right now is actually going to be this. I know that sounds crazy after a pump like that, but this is a completely unnatural pump. It's 100% unnatural. This is definitely on trend. This pump is on trend. All right, so let's kind of see something. All right, I'm going to pull some fibs. Let's pull some fibs. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So I would say that around 60 cents, if we can get a pullback to around 60 cents, that would be a prime place to actually look to long this thing, because this, obviously, this pump to the upside is completely unsustainable. Let's put on the price line here. That is completely unsustainable. I don't think that can be sustained. All right, we need to wreck these FOMO longers. But I do believe that this is bullish for XRP in general. I do believe that this is bullish for XRP in general. Hang on, let me switch my market cipher B money flow. I have it upside down for some reason here. There we go. I messed up my market cipher earlier today. There we go. That's how I like market. Whoa! Wow. A beautiful woman just walked into my basement. Oof. This is insane, guys. Look at that daily candle on XRP. Can you even believe this? This is crazy, man. On the day, 100% gains on the day. That is completely unsustainable. Completely unsustainable. I'm trying to see if there's any other area of support that we have along the way down. Let's take a look at exo charts. All right, let's take a look at exo charts here. How to tell if you're being breadcrumbed into a relationship, friendship, at work. Man, the clickbait is really getting to me today, guys. All right, let's go to exo charts. And let's take a look at the TPO chart and see, let's take a look at the single prints that we made along the way up there. All right, this is insane. Okay, yeah, so we've got single prints, guys. We've got some single prints on the TPO chart here for XRP. Wow. This is crazy. This is crazy. So that's going to be coming in around 73 cents. Coming on down to 65 cents. 65 cents. Let's see where that golden pocket is right here. 65 cents. Beautiful. We do have some single prints that actually will get filled right also with this golden pocket. So we also do have a nice little support resistance flip right here. Right here. Okay, so I have two levels for XRP in a very bullish situation. All right, a very bullish situation. I would look for a retest right here between 62 and 66 cents. Right, more so probably the 64 to 66 cents. It's a potential support resistance flip. And the reason why I have a support resistance flip right there, if we go to a higher time frame like the 4-day, right? The 4-day, we can see that right here before we had the big breakdown, we had this little whoopsie daisy here. And in addition to the whoopsie daisy, this is the old value area low, right, of the range. So in a very bullish scenario, I would look for a move down to 65 cents and then long it up to $1.25. Right? This could be a pretty dang bullish scenario right here. In my opinion, this could be a pretty dang bullish scenario because here's the theory behind why I would be looking for a long trade at the 65 cent zone, right? When we're looking at this old range that we were trading going back to April 2021, right? We have established for XRP a fair value between the price of 65 cents and $1.30, around $1.25. Now that we've entered back into the old range, if we can hold the green line at 65 cents, confluence with single prints that will be filled, confluence with the Fibonacci golden pocket, confluence with the green box that I drew on the chart arbitrarily, then I believe we will come back up to the $1.25 zone. It becomes more probable that we will fill that entire value area. All right. Now, when I take a look at market Cipher B, yes, we've got bearish divergences building up here, but I don't really consider these to be too bearish. Okay. I actually consider this to be more bullish looking than bearish in the context of what's going on. Because this is just consolidation, right? This is an ascending triangle, basically, right? This is a bullish ascending triangle. And now that we've broken out, there's two places we could look for the long. Number one, 65 cents. Number two, 58 cents. The retest of the resistance that was the top of this ascending triangle. I think we have two very clear places to look for XRP for potential longs, guys. But I would be super cautious FOMOing in right now, especially if you're trading with leverage. All right? Especially if you're trading with leverage. Be super careful. But these would be the two opportunities I would see right now on XRP, given this bullish environment, given this bullish news, right? Shout out to everybody in the chat. How is our trades doing here? Bitcoin trades doing pretty dang good. All right, long from the exact bottom setup given in advance. I promised I wouldn't TP on this until 42K. This one, I've got a TP at 32.5. Let's see if we can hit that today. All right, let's see if we can hit that today. You know what's so funny? This morning, I literally traded on spot some Ripple for Tether. I literally just sold XRP this morning. I'm like, what is this piece of trash Ripple in my spot portfolio? Get out of here, Ripple. I'm gonna rip you right out of my portfolio. I should have known. I should have known that it was the act of me selling Ripple that was going to cause the price to pump. Shout out to my man Dr. Shiba. Shout out to Bullseye. Pepe smoked XRP, did it. Let's check out PP coin, guys. PP. PP coin on the day up only 21%, guys. PP is not doing that great, guys. All right. It's not doing that great compared to XR Pizzle. XR Pizzle definitely doing pretty dang good. All right, let's go back to XRP real quick. Finally, though, XRP doing something, guys. Finally, XRP doing something. Where was my XRP chart? Wait a second. Where's all the TA I just did on Ripple? Gone. Totally gone. Wait a second. Hang on. Here we go. Yeah, so this is what I would wait for with Ripple, guys. And if we don't get that, well, oh well. Oh well for me. I'm already stacked up on all the cryptos that I want to hold for this next bull run. I am pretty stacked up on these cryptos. Here we go, baby. Bitcoin getting another move to the upside. Bitcoin getting another little pump to the upside, baby. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. All right, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is my baby. All right, Bitcoin is my beloved coin. All right. I love me some Bitcoin, as you guys know. You know, I don't trade altcoins. Sometimes I do. All right, let's take a look here at Bitcoin. What's going on, Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin has officially broken out of this massive inverted head and shoulders target at $36,000. And I do believe, guys, that we will probably put in another high on this Bitcoin chart, which is why I'm still holding the trade that I'm in right now. When we take a look at the local range here, all right, we have been in this range now for literally 3 weeks. It's been 21 days. Now, what we have done here already is we've pretty much wrecked all the shorts and we've wrecked all the longs, right? When we take a look at this local range, we have in fact taken out the liquidity from the highs, taking out the liquidity from the lows. We've come back down now to make a higher low in the range, and we're back at resistance. What does that mean? That means if we break out here, I believe it will be a legitimate breakout, okay? Now, let's take a look here. Let's take a look. What are we looking for? Aha. Yeah, we're looking for this. Bitcoin has done literally exactly what we were hoping for. In the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we came down to 29.8, came to the high, grabbed the liquidity from the low, grabbed the liquidity from the high, came back down to the low of the range, and now we're actually starting to get, potentially now, the juicy break. The juicy break, guys. And I'm excited. I'm real excited because I've been waiting for this day since June 16th, 2023. Here we go. Here we go. It's time to launch off into the stratosphere. Let's see what's happening live on the order flow chart for Bitcoin. Are things looking bullish? Are things looking bearish? Things are actually looking pretty neutral, all right? Volume's a little bit lower here. Open interest is slightly increasing. We have a few longs opening up. Nothing too crazy to write home about. Let's take a look at the volume. Wow, a 38 million at this high here. That's actually lower volume than what we had right here. Interesting. I guess when we get these news events, we can pump on lower volume. So let's see what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Now, just above us right now, I would say around 31.7, right around here, we do have a local area of resistance, okay? This is going to be key. Let me just double check. What is this level? 31,750. All right, 31,750. 31,750. This is a very, very key level, guys. Very, very key. All right. If we can reclaim 31,750, I believe we are going to hit the take profit that we have right here at $32,500. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Jason Casper needs to retire. I never want to work again. I just want to sit in my rocking chair and let my mind and my body waste away while I eat processed foods and watch the government propaganda TV, take my pharmaceutical drugs. The dream life, guys. The dream life. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Peepaw. Shout out to Moth. You can't get your posture straight, Moth. Well, let me tell you, man, I'll just get a walking desk. Get a treadmill desk, guys. Make sure to like the stream. If we can get 1,500 likes, I'm giving away $1,000 of these juicy profits right here. I'm up right now. On the day, realized about 475. About 1,000 unrealized. I'm up about right now 1.18 Bitcoins on this baby. Another 0.3, 0.5, half a Bitcoin. Half a Bitcoin on this baby. Come on. Can we make a whole Bitcoin on this trade? That's the goal. The goal is to make a whole Bitcoin in one trade. Come on, Bitcoin. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Let's check out. Let's go to our trend reversal chart on XO charts to see what's happening. We've got longs opening up here. CBD getting slightly higher. Nothing too crazy, but it's not looking too bullish right now. We need to bust through this level. We need to blast through. Otherwise, looks like some bearish absorption happening, honestly. Looks like some bearish absorption could be happening here. Nothing too significant, nothing too significant. But the fact that volume is getting lower, the fact that we are seeing longs opening up consistently here, right? It's not looking so great. Come on, Bitcoin. When I'm live on the internet, I need you to pump for me. Don't make me look like a fool. Shout out to Ethiopia in the house. What is going on, Joe Ethio? Shout out to all my Ethiopian people in the house. Shout out to Dr. Sheba. It will blast through. He says patience. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to Tim Moo. He says, guys, let's go Bitcoin. Let's go Pepe. Let's go Milady. Shout out to Nick Yu. He says, Klike. 1.2 watching. That's crazy. Wow. Shout out to all you guys watching. God bless you all. God bless you all. Shout out to Robert Bonar holding it down with the wrench. What is my take profit? On this, Vince, there's no take profit yet. This is not a take profit kind of trade. This is more of a degen long the top kind of trade, guys. This was a little irresponsible, but you know what? I did it with really good risk management. I literally longed the retest of the naked point of control to the dang dollar, right? So, this is not my real stop loss. Stop loss is at entry. Stop loss is at entry. Bitcoin wants to break. She wants to break. Shout out to Jakov from Bangkok. What is going on? Shout out to Harsh Rana from India. Shout out to all my Indian subscribers. You guys are the best. Shout out to Sam from Antarctica. Shout out to all my Antarctican subscribers. You guys are the best. Shout out to my man Admiral Richard Byrd, going down to Antarctica exploring the globe. My man. Shout out to AZTV. He says Fook XRP, WEF coin / Soros coin. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's true, right? We got the Soros coins, but here's the thing, all right? Here's what we really need to remember. We're in this for one reason and one reason only. We're in crypto not because of the technology, not because we believe it's going to set us free from the tyrannical governments that are looking to enslave humanity. We're in this to make as much money as possible while we can still do it so that we can set ourselves up with actual, tangible, physical resources like land, animals, water sources, getting ourselves ready so that when all the crazy stuff goes down, you know, we're not going to be slaves. So, man, I'll use XRP WEF coin to get me a little homestead action going, if you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Tosh from Thailand. Shout out to Car Donzo Maxi, my man, with the conspiracy theories. You know, everything's a conspiracy theory if it goes against the agenda. My thoughts on XLM? I don't know, but we should do some analysis on XLM. Biceps and triceps superset today. That's the way to go. Chest and arms every single day. Never do legs. That's the way to go. Shout out to the critters. Yo, yo, yo. What's up, Hal 9001? What's up, AZZA? Splashfire Films, they said Bitcoin is worthless, but we buy homesteads with it. That's the way to do it. What's the best way to cook chicken? I mean, that's subjective, my friend. Here we go, baby. Bitcoin breaking out. Bitcoin breaking out. Uh-oh. All right, guys. 23, 23. 23, 23, 23. Right, okay, so we don't really have a massive, like, we don't have really bearish looking absorption here, which is good. That's good. All right, let's get back to our Ripple chart real quick, and then we can take a look at some other things. Right. Let's actually take a look at Ripple on the order flow chart here. Man. All right, so when we had that massive high, this is ByBit, by the way. Let's actually check out what happened on let's check out what happened on Binance. All right, so we had a massive decrease of open interest on that big pump. Basically, a whole bunch of longs took profit. That's really what happened. We had more. It was mostly longs taking profit, not even necessarily a short squeeze. Not even necessarily a short squeeze. I would say this: right when the news came out, you had a lot of people shorting and a lot of people longing. People were betting. They're like, man, they knew something was going to happen. They're like, something's going down. Something is definitely going down. So you had a lot of people long, a lot of people short. A lot of people just longed that news, rode it up. And then when we got this really big last major pump, you saw a lot of longs. Once we started to dump, a lot of longs, they closed out. A lot of longs closed out. We still have a lot of longs open from over here. And we actually still have... Nah, pretty much all the people that shorted here are out of the game. So there's actually nothing super bearish about this. VWAP is coming in right now for Ripple about 71 cents. 71 cents. All right, let's go down to a super low time frame here. Where's that 71 cents? Oh man, golden pocket. All right, we might enter a degen long on Ripple, guys, from the 71 cent VWAP. You know, this is degen long. This is degen scalp trade, you know, but when the adrenaline's pumping, the palms are sweaty, the knees are weak, the arms are heavy, chest and triceps every day. This, to me, is some good YouTube quality content if we take a degen long from the VWAP plus golden pocket on XRP. You know, we could even do that over here on good old ZOOMEX. Let's see. Let's see. Good old ZOOMEX, guys. Let's do some analysis here. Let's see. 71.80. I have no idea. Here we go. All right, let's keep our eyes peeled on this, guys. Let's see. This could be really good or really bad. How's Bitcoin? Bitcoin pumping, baby. That's what I like to see. Up 90% right now in the green, in the verde. For my Espanol people out there, and I myself am Cuban as well. This is my setup here. Let's see if we can hit it. We're gonna go down to 72, 72, 72. We'll just 7286, 7286. Right, we'll try and get in there. 0.7286. Hang on, hang on, hang on. That's the wrong chart. $7,250. All right, what's our stop loss going to be? We'll give it a 25% just to start, just in case of massive liquidations. All right. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Now let's see what's happening on XRP. Guys, we actually do have, wow. We actually do have some, it looks to me, we have shorts opening up on XRP here. This could be very bullish. If we don't come below these lows, that could be very bullish. But we're looking to long this VWAP plus the local golden pocket. Let's see. Let's see if we can hit that, guys. Let's see. All right. Salsa verde. I love salsa verde. You know, my wife, she makes the best salsa verde. And she makes it, what does she do? She ferments it. She ferments it and she cans it. But don't eat the whole jar. It tastes good, guys, but it will give you diarrhea. Just one massive expulsion of diarrhea, but then you'll be good. But yeah, I had to learn that the hard way. All right, fermented foods are great, but you can't overdo it. Shout out to Flex Zone, my man, with the chest cleavage. XRP in the 4th spot. Man, can we get this long entry on XRP? Is Bitcoin gonna pump? Is Bitcoin gonna break out? Are we finally gonna break out of this massive bull flag? Is Bitcoin? Right now, I'm getting so dang excited for this. I am getting super excited. We are coming up to the highs. Let's draw a little ray. Green line 31527 on Bitget. That's the high. If we reclaim this, guys, we're making a higher high. We are pumping up like a wild woman in distress, running through the jungle. Is XRP just going to blast off without me? Wow. Binance is crazy. There's so much volume on Binance. 500 million volume on this candle here. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Let's see if we can't get 1,000 likes. Let's see if we can't get the likes up to the watchers. I'm talking about the watchers from, you know, the book of Enoch, from Daniel chapter 4. You know what I'm talking about. Am I on trend? Am I on trend? Of course I'm on trend. What a smart thing to do in life, especially if you want to be self-sufficient and not rely on the government or the medical industrial complex. Taking trend is just one of the smartest things you could possibly do. You know what I'm saying? Doge. Should we check out Doge? Let's check out Doge. Man, this price is pumping, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bitcoin breaking out right now. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin right now breaking out on its way to hit a take profit 32,500. This is crazy, guys. I never thought this day would come. Here we go, baby. It's time for liftoff. On the weekly chart, Bitcoin on the weekly chart right now, getting a pump. We understand we do have some resistance just above here. That's the last resistance. Come on, Bitcoin. It's the weekly chart, guys, so it looks like we're pumping a lot faster than we are on the weekly. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, things still looking pretty dang good. Bitcoin is breaking out. Shout out to everybody who took this long from the exact bottom setup given on May 12th, 2023 in the Casper Crew VIP Discord for the retest of the juicy inverted head and shoulders that we had, well, right down here. This juicy inverted head and shoulders. Okay, we are coming up to a very key level. 31,750, guys. We just tapped into it. We just tapped into it. We're getting a little move. 31,750, very, very key level. The fact that we're rejecting before we're tapping that level is actually pretty bullish. Let's see what happens. Okay, looks like we're breaking out. It's a key level. We have one key level here. Let's watch. Okay, here we go, baby. Bitcoin pumping. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Looks like XRP is not going to come back down to us. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's my baby. She knows what to do. She knows what to do. All right, I am gonna take a little bit more profits out of here, guys. Boom, baby. Lock it in. Lock it in. That's what I'm talking about. All right. All right. Why are we getting a little bit of a hesitation right here? It's because, guys, we have a very key level on the chart. All right. A daily level plus a potential CDW, 31,756. Let's take a look at our indicators. How are things looking? We need to refresh. All right. Market Cipher B. Money flow is still inverted. We need to fix this as soon as possible. Got to fix my Market Cipher B. All right. How's it looking at the daily level, guys? We have tapped the daily. We've given it a tap. That's why we're getting a move down here. We do have some bearish divs on the 6 minute. Money flow bullish, bearish divs. All right. This is a place to take profits, in my opinion. On a long, at least lock in a little profit, guys, at least. Okay? Lock in a little profit at least here. Let's see. If we break this, well, I say we're going to 33,000. I say we're going to 33,000 if we break this. It's looking, money flow's looking bullish. The divergences have officially now on this new candle gone away. I think we can come higher, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. I know I'm smoking the hopium, but look at the 1 minute. I think we can come higher. This is a resistance, though. Level respected. But let's see. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. We are pumping. I'm gonna set a TP here, I think, at 36K. 35,999. And how much do I have left on this? Not too much. I FOMO'd out of this dang trade. I FOMO'd out of this trade, guys. When we came back down to the low of the range here, Unfortunately, I gave myself an ultimatum. I said if we lose value area high, I'm going to take some profits out. And I did. Okay, we are pumping, baby. We are disrespecting the heck out of the daily, which sometimes I wouldn't say we're disrespecting the heck out of it yet. If we flip it into support, that is bullish. Let's watch this orange line, guys, 31,756. If we come back down and bounce from here, okay, bullish. Let's see. Let's watch. Here we go. Oh, let's see. Come on, we got to hold. We got to hold. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, we got to hold it. 31,756.5. Let's put that on our chart. 31,756.5. 31,756.5. Boom. All right, are we holding it? No. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, we need to hold our level here. Don't give me a red candle now, Bitcoin. We need a blue. We need a purple. I mean, we need a blue. We need a blue one. Come on, Bitcoin. We need a blue one. Guys, this is resistance right here. This is resistance right here. We need to break this level. This is key. This is super key. How's XRP doing? Let's head back over to our XRP chart. Take a look. Remember, we marked this level out. Very, very key. All right, no surprise. Everyone watching this stream knows about this very, very key level that we marked out at the beginning of the stream. All right, it's no surprise we're finding something at this very, very key level right now. Okay, up right now, 128%. Up right now, 399%. Up right now. Can you believe this? 1,397%. Let's see what's happening on the order flow chart. Okay, for XRP. Nothing too crazy. Let's check out Bitcoin. Wow. Big longs wrecked. I'm sorry. Shorts wrecked. Shorts liquidated. And we also had longs taking profits once again. A lot of longs took profit on that. 60 million volume. That's crazy. I just got a notification. Bitcoin USD future price hit 31,500. All right, liquidations at resistance here. Are we going to take the lows? You know, are we going to take these lows, or are we going to hold these lows? Let's see. Let's watch and wait. How's our 24-minute looking here, guys? 24-minute overall looks bullish. Let's see. We might get a little bit of a move down here, though, because we've tapped the level. And when you tap a level, well, yeah, it can give you a move down. If you front run the level, not always, but yeah, you tap the level, it could give us a move down here. All right. It's the 5-minute chart. We've closed one 5-minute candle below the level. Now we're trying to open up another 5-minute candle. Let's see. Can we pump? Can we pump? Let's go, Bitcoin. Why is XRP up so much? Because it's not a security. Gary Gensler, and I don't know, is he still there? I don't know. I haven't read anything. I just been seeing tweets and stuff. I don't know. There's news. There's bullish news. All right. There's bullish news on XRP. Let's go, baby. All right, let's check out XRP, by the way. Oh, man, Bitcoin. Dang, I was going to long XRP. I was going to try and get in a little degen long from right here, but I never got filled there. Never got filled on my degen long. Maybe there's still time, guys. Maybe there's still time. Bitcoin, right at the daily level, getting another little retest. Let's take a look at the order flow. Let's see, do we have anything happening here? No, nothing really to write home about. We did have a lot of shorts liquidated at the daily, which is a sign that a lot of times we could get a little bit of a move to the downside. Guys, I have to take a mean piss, all right? Which means, in less vulgar terms, I have to pee. So watch the chart for me. Make sure I don't get liquidated. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, guys, we're back in action. Sorry, I went outside to pee. I saw there was a package for my wife. I brought it upstairs. It turns out it was something for the chickens. I had to grab my phone charger. My phone was on 2%. So now we're back in action, guys. Bitcoin. Finding some local resistance at this daily level here. If we can claim this daily, it's looking good. If not, guys, this might be the high for the day. This might be the high for the day. This might be the high for the day. We've got divergences. Look at this. I don't know why I have volume on my chart, but we have a volume divergence here. When we take a look at the order flow, let's go to the 15-minute. This last big move up here. Hang on, what am I doing? Here we go. Yeah, this last big move up was on lower volume. We had a 72 million volume candle followed by a 22 million volume candle here. Let's check it out on a lower time frame. Hang on. Am I flopping and groping? Yeah. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Market Cipher B. This is the 1 minute. It's a little ambiguous, but the 12-minute definitely has a divergence at a daily level, which in my opinion means we might just either come down a bit here or consolidate. I'll be honest with you. That's why I took a little profit out here. And if we pump, I'll be pleasantly surprised. If we plump, I'll be pleasantly surprised. All right, shout out to everybody in the chat. Wow, we got 1,300 people in here. Guys, if we can get 1,500 likes without a bot, I'll be giving away $1,000. Oh, wow, Coinbase is going to relist XR Pizzle. Oh, shout out to Angie Z. Her boyfriend got a tick peeing outside yesterday. My condolences. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, that's the worst. That's the worst. Me and my wife just went on a crazy hike for our 9-year anniversary, and there were lots of ticks. Lots of ticks. And I had a lot of them on me. They didn't bite me, thankfully. But yeah, that's no fun. But I spend a lot of my time out in the tall grass, half naked, and I just constantly check myself. You got to be careful. You got to be careful. Yeah, you don't want tick bites. They creep me out, those dang ticks, trying to suck your blood. What the heck, man? Hey, Joe Sir C. Don't spam the chat, bro. But yeah, that's super important news. We got a relisting of XRP. All right, bullish news. Bitcoin, bullish news. Bitcoin, juicy long trade. Right from the exact bottom, setup given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. By the way, guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Click to join the community right here. Also, we have a 25% discount in the description of both of our trading courses. Also, if you use the link in the description for MEXC, the best deal on fees, guys. Literally, you can mark it in and out without letting those fees eat your profits. 0% limited order fees, 0.1% market order fees, up to a $9,000 deposit bonus. I love MEXC for that reason. ZOOMEX, guys, great exchange. Centralized exchange, decentralized, from the same platform. Links in the description. A lot of cool things about ZOOMEX. You can trade ZOOMEX using the ByBit chart. The levels are the exact same as ByBit. So if you are looking to, let's say, for example, take a degen long trade from a naked daily point of control, like this right here, right? You can do that on ZOOMEX, right? You can do that on ZOOMEX. Look at that entry. I'll be honest with you guys, I marketed into this trade. Tell me that's not the juiciest entry you've ever seen, right? Yeah, but ZOOMEX, the thing about it is they don't require VPN or KYC. So that's what makes it an appealing exchange. Okay. All right, Bitcoin, the make it or break it zone. Come on, Bitcoin. The make it or break it. Let's see. We're at that daily level. If this 12-minute confirms the red dot, guys, I think we might have to wait until Asia open before another big move. Let's see what happens here. Let's come back to the order flow chart. It's actually not looking too bearish. It's actually looking a little bullish, guys. It's actually looking a little bullish. We have less than 1 million shorts being absorbed. If we hold this key level right here of 31,696 and 50 cents, we could get another little pump to the upside. If we lose this level at 31,696 and 50 cents, we are going to make a lower low locally, which will then open us up for 1 minute bearish market structure. Okay? Because remember, we have now officially made a nice high. Which means if we take out the previous high or low in this 1 minute uptrend, we are officially now entering into locally bearish market structure. But if we hold this low, if we hold the low, then we still are maintaining this local bullish market structure. And this is a potential bull flag. All right, let's pull out a local fib. We're going to pull a local fib from the high to the low here. And we will also mark out our CDW. We've got some key levels in the range here, guys. This is the local range that we're trading here. All right. 31,672. This is going to be our first area of local support. Let's see what happens here. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The level respected, guys. Levels are respected. The key level, remember. Remember, on this stream, at the beginning of the stream, the Jason Casper YouTube channel, make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. We gave this key level. We said this is next local resistance. Look at how the level is respected, guys. Now we've officially broken local market structure. Okay, we are making lower lows here as we come to this potential area of resistance. Okay, now we can pull our fib. Let's pull our fib out. When in doubt, pull it out. Okay, this is words to live by. And what are we going to do? We're going to wait for our first retracement, and then we can assess whether or not this is a potential good place to enter a Schwarzenegger, an Arnold Schwarzenegger position. Because if we come back up to this zone right here and retest this daily, and we see some bearish signs, it could allow us to hop in. Look, we've got some volume coming in on this drop. We've got the volume supporting this drop. We've got shorts opening up, an increase of shorts opening up right here. Shorts opening, longs getting wrecked along the way down. Shorts opening, longs wrecked. All right, so what's Jason Casper gonna do? Is he gonna take more profit on this long? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. All right. Locked it in, guys. 900 smackaronis. Locked in. This one, guys. I'm going to hold this one. This one, you know I'm holding this one. You know it. You know I'm holding this swing long trade, guys. You know it. Don't you know it? All right, as we dump, let's see what's going to happen here, guys. All right, this is actually going to be a key support resistance flip. 31,489. 31. Let's just do 31,500 actually. All right, let's pull the fib out again, guys. Let's pull the fib out again, because we understand after now we've officially started this bearish market structure locally, we want to be very aware of our local Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, because if we're going to put in a lower high here and continue with a bearish structure, we're going to see a lot of retail traders FOMOing long right here getting trapped. All right, FOMOing long here getting trapped. Okay. All right, I'm not taking profit on this thing again, guys, until 33,000. All right, 33,000. We're going to take out 25%. All right. Now that I've locked in a small profit, my strategy is I go for the gold. Let's go for the gold. All right, we're going to hit that 33,000, then we're going to hit 36K. 35,990. Boom. And then 40,000. right? Look at this excellent risk to reward ratio. Excellent risk to reward ratio right here, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on. Looks like, you know, let's see what's going to happen here, actually. Let's really see what's going to happen here. Okay. What do we want to look for here? Well, first of all, let's take note. Right down here, we saw a bullish divergence right here, guys. This is actually a bullish divergence right here. We saw shorts getting absorbed at this low, and it's actually led to a significant move up. This is not the most bearish thing in the world, guys. This is not. Okay, let's see what happens as this plays out here. How's our 12-minute looking? Confirmed, unconfirmed printing bearish divergence thus far. Money flow thickening. All right, money flow thickening. This honestly makes me think we will break this level eventually, but we might consolidate here for a while, guys. We might consolidate here for a while. We'll probably do something like this, you know, and then maybe when Asia opens, they'll give us a nice pumperoni and queso. And I love me some queso. I love queso. I love cheese, especially raw cheese. I eat a lot of raw cheese, guys. I drink a lot of raw milk. Today for breakfast, I had 2 cups of raw milk, 8 eggs, and an apple, and some spinach. That's what I like, you know. But yesterday for lunch, I had an entire block of raw cheese, like a huge giant block of cheese. That's all I ate, just a giant block of cheese. All the saturated fats and cholesterols just clogging up my arteries. Just giving me all this heart disease, guys. I'm so unhealthy. I eat lots of cholesterol, lots of saturated fat, and I'm clearly extremely unhealthy because of it. Shout out to Memory Man. He's waiting for a pullback to long XRP now. Yeah, I would love a pullback. Let's actually go back to the XRP chart and let's see if we can't get into a position here. We've still got our limit order. I'm still interested in this long on XRP, actually. Yeah, I'm still interested in it. Let's see if we can't get filled here, guys. Let's see if we can't get filled. Come on, XRP. Will you fill my DGen long? I actually am not feeling this DGen long as much right now. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm really not feeling this DGen long as much right now. Reason being is because Bitcoin is at resistance. But it's about to be 4 p.m. 4 p.m. could give us a massive pump. Who knows? New York close. Who knows? I know raw milk and eggs are very bad for you. Very, very bad. Farts must stink. I actually don't really fart very much at all. G-Dumpling. I don't fart very much at all, man. Do I do raw eggs? Nah, I don't. I'll tell you why I don't, all right? My eggs, it just grosses me out, right? I know they're good for you. They say Arnold Schwarzenegger drinks them. Rocky Balboa drinks them. But, yeah, it just grosses me out, man. I'm hopelessly addicted to fentanyl. What a YouTube name. Anyone who thinks XRP has topped out is out of their minds. Well, look, we're talking locally, my friend. We're day traders over here, right? DGen day traders. Do you see? Low time frame stuff. 42x leverage. Okay. 65x leverage DGen, right? Of course, XRP is not topped out. But we long and short, right? I took like 4 trades here. You know what I'm saying? Bullish div on the TR chart. Oh, man. Okay, guys. Bullish div once again. Let's check it out. It is very locally a bullish div. It is very locally a bullish div once again. But over here, we actually saw 1 million absorbed right here. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Oh, wow, yeah, another 1 million absorbed. We got a bullish div here, guys. We got a bullish div here. On the corn. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Does anyone know when Coinbase will relist XRP? Is it today? Milk, banana, raw eggs. That sounds amazing, Ancient Maya. Milk, banana, raw eggs. That sounds amazing. I'll be honest. XRP is at a multi-week channel resistance, says Divine Hood. Divine Hood, a great trader. Am I on the vertical diet? I don't know. How do you define that? How does Stan Efferding define that? I don't know. Probably. I just eat real food. I eat real food, lots of animal protein, and if it has more than one ingredient and it comes in a package, I don't eat it. Right? And I grow a lot of my own food. So I eat a lot of bad foods. Bad foods. Potatoes, white potatoes. Eat tons of them. I grow them all myself. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that's considered vertical diet. White potatoes, people say, are bad, but my philosophy is if you can grow it in the earth, it's not bad for you, you know? You got all these health experts out there trying to tell people how to eat healthy with a diet full of processed foods. I never heard of anybody getting sick from eating just normal old stuff that grows from the earth. You know what I'm saying? Onions and bananas. What do I think about that kind of stuff? It makes me sick to my stomach, my friend. Not because I have a problem with any of those types of people, but because I dislike where society is heading. Because that will open the door for many other evil things. You know what I'm saying? Are my eggs GMO? Heck no, man. My chickens only eat soy-free, organic, locally grown chicken feed, but mostly I let them free range. I plant fields full of oats, amaranth, and other cover crops for them. They can go into the woods and eat the bugs. Yeah, man. Yes, I'm on a treadmill, Paul Carpenter. What's my opinion about a 31100 retest? Let's see. That's my opinion. Let's see. This is resistance, guys. This is resistance. So there's no surprise that we're finding resistance at resistance. That should not be a surprise. It's 4 o'clock, guys. New York is officially closed, which honestly usually means we start to pump like crazy. You know? That usually means we start to pump like crazy. But it's rare that we get a huge move at New York close after a huge move. What happens if you adjust your leverage while you're in a trade? Well, let's find out. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. The only thing is, if you don't have enough margin to support lower leverage, it won't work. Yeah, nothing will happen. Now, I keep very little money on exchanges. I keep very little money on exchanges these days, guys. Only put in like what you're looking to trade that day or that week. That's my opinion on it. You don't know when these things are going to go down. How far do I walk daily? I don't know, actually. I don't know. Yes, my chickens are super woke, guys. They're super woke. They are 100% communist chickens. They all share everything in common. They don't own the chicken coop. I own it. And I'm their government. And I provide everything for them. They all have everything equal. They're very communist, those chickens. And I keep them very safe. My regulations keep them safe. I have them in a nice little perimeter fenced around the property. They can only go certain places. They're very safe. Yeah, Divine Hood as well. Sometimes, if you're already in the trade, you can make your leverage higher so that you have now money freed up to trade in the opposite direction, right? Yeah, yep. Why did I start walking on a treadmill? Well, I used to have a recumbent bike. I used to pedal all my streams and videos. But now I switched to a standing desk, and I got an under-the-desk treadmill. And I actually like it way better than the recumbent bike. I just love it way better than the recumbent bike. What do I trust for cold storage? Nothing too much anymore. But I do use a Trezor. But everything is starting to become compromised. You know? You know? So. ETH is trying to break. Do I have a rooster? Of course, I've got multiple roosters. Right now, on my property, I have 9 roosters. I have 9 roosters. Sheesh. I have 9 roosters. Can I run? No, I hate running, man. I will never run. Could we have a good old look at Sol? Yeah, we could look at Sol. We could look at Sol. Whoa, we have breaking news up in here. Once again, Coinbase will relist XRP. Is breeding chickens profitable? I don't know. I don't sell my chickens. I breed them and then I keep the hens for eggs and I eat the roosters. That's what I do. That's what I do. Guys, am I genuinely bullish on Bitcoin? This is a question. A question. I am genuinely bullish on Bitcoin. I am. But I also acknowledge that we are at resistance. Alright? So, when we look at money flow on the 12-minute, it is getting thicker, but we are at a daily level that has just been tapped. We're at the top of the local range. And we technically have bearish divergences on the 4-hour time frame with money flow. So, look, we might come down from here, but I would say this, when we're looking at the macro, I still think it's more probable that we see more upside than more downside. That doesn't mean I'm not in a short or that I'm not looking for shorts or whatever. But it does mean, you know, I'm trying to hold, I am holding these longs out for higher. I am. I just think it makes more sense based on market structure on the higher term time frames that we see higher prices. We have no resistance above us. And we've been here for 3 weeks now. Been here for 3 weeks now. We've had plenty of chance to dump. You know? So. This daily level is pretty key. If we reject from this daily level and we come back down to the low of the range, I would hate to be in this range for another week, guys. That would really suck. It would really suck to be in this range for another week. You know what I'm saying? What chart do I use for tea? I use the ByBit USD chart. You thought I eat chocolate? I eat cacao nibs sometimes. And sometimes in moments of weakness, I do eat 100% organic dark chocolate, you know, like the 100% cacao, dark chocolate bars. But I try not to do that because the caffeine actually makes me not sleep so well. Do I eat pork? I do not eat pork, my friend. I do not. Do I think ETH can get to 2,500 by tomorrow? Look, anything's possible, guys. Anything is possible. Is it probable? With ETH, all things are probable. Let's be honest, this thing pumps like crazy. ETH also is coming up to an area of resistance. ETH, all right, let's do some ETH analysis here. Let's do some ETH analysis here. ETH is right now in between the golden pocket and the 786 Fibonacci. If ETH can reclaim this, then I think that opens up the door for our next major resistance around 2100, right? Then above that, 2340, we have a massive support resistance flip, a high volume node of a 2-year range, 2300. So it could come up to 2500, but you know, there are some resistances above us first, right? It's possible. That would be a huge move. By tomorrow, you know, we're talking another 20%. It's possible. We've seen ETH do it. We've seen ETH do it. It's possible. It's possible, guys. Is it probable? I don't know. I don't know. This is technically right now, we could look at this as an invert head and shoulders. And if this is an invert head and shoulders, then we are looking at a potential move up to around 2400. Yeah, so look, it is possible, right? It is possible. If ETH is going to hit 2500, I think Bitcoin can hit 40K. Honestly, because it's right about that same kind of zone, this old range that we had here from the spring of 2022. Now, ETH also has gotten a bullish breakout as well, and retest of the symmetrical triangle, right? So Bitcoin had the bullish breakout and retest of the inverted head and shoulders, right? Bitcoin had the breakout and retest of the inverted head and shoulders right here, and simultaneously when Bitcoin got its head and shoulder breakout, right, and the retest, this is when ETH also got its retest. Now, the only thing about ETH that Bitcoin didn't do is ETH has officially made bearish market structure from the April high. High, low, potentially we're making a lower high, right? So I want to see us reclaim very clearly the 786 fib at 2040-ish. And if we do that, then I believe we're going to continue in this uptrend here, which objectively speaking on the higher term time frame is a bullish uptrend. And then I think, look, the next major resistance is right around 2300. And the reason why is because if we take the volume of this entire chunk, it's the high volume node. And I think we're going to find some resistance there. It's also a massive support resistance flip, right? So that would be my next target for ETH, 2340, right around there, 2340. Okay, Bitcoin getting a little bit of a smooth move down here from resistance. We have to adjust our fib. We have to adjust our fib here. Do we have to adjust our fib? No. Nope, we don't have to adjust our fib. Shout out to Royal Fresh in the chat. What is going on, bro? Shout out to Royal Fresh. God bless you, my man. Shout out to Righteousness. Shout out to Jason Castro. Pork comes from the earth. I know, I do it because of religious purposes, my friend. I don't believe that humans were designed to eat pork. I don't think we're originally intended to eat meat, but I think, given the current conditions, it is necessary nowadays. But pork, I don't think is good. I don't think it's good. But that's neither here nor there. Whoever sells their Bitcoin now is selling it directly into the hands of the elites. Yeah, I'm not selling my Bitcoin right now. Heck no will I sell my Bitcoin. The last time I'm not going to sell Bitcoin until $60,000, and I will sell a large portion of my spot portfolio at $60,000. Probably about 40% of my entire spot portfolio will be sold at $60K. Shout out to Ancient Maya. What is going on, my man? Why the 12-minute? Because it's just better. It's just better. Shout out to Barry the Rave. Started his Winstrol and test cycle today. Bro, you got to be careful with that stuff, man. All right, please. You're going to wreck yourself for life, bro. You're going to wreck yourself for life. It's not worth it. Just do it naturally, bro. Just do it naturally. Shout out to all my vegans in the chat. Hit the like button if you're a vegan. Hit the like button if you're a carnivore. Hit the like button if you're an omnivore. Hit the like button if you've been water fasting for the past 25 years. Hit the like button if you're gluten-free, carb-free, fat-free, protein-free. Why 60K, not 100K? Well, because, Tahir, I've been accumulating Bitcoin hard since, I've been irresponsibly buying Bitcoin on the entire way down. I bought a lot of Bitcoin at $40,000. Bought a lot of Bitcoin at $30,000. Bought a lot of Bitcoin at $20,000 and below. I was irresponsibly buying Bitcoin. Okay? So 60K is a beautiful profit for me. And I don't know if we're going to get to 100,000. I don't know. Could we? Of course. But I'm in here to make money. I'm not here to hold it hoping for higher and then we never get it. You know what I'm saying? So I've got goals. I've got goals this bull run. I've got actual financial goals with what I want to do with the money I make in the bull run. I'm gonna get some real estate. I'm just trying to build more passive income. I'm trying to, you know, put my family in a good position here. So I've got goals, man. How do you protect your chickens from predators? Honestly, I don't really have much of an issue with it. And also, we lose some chickens here and there, and then we just always are hatching more. You know? Do I hold gold? I do. I am into gold. I'm into gold. You know? I'm into gold. I think gold is good. I know there's a Sam Bankman-Fried upside down on the 4-hour. I know. Yeah. I think I was into gold before I was into crypto. I only got into Bitcoin because, you know, I went through the whole understanding about the Federal Reserve and the devaluation of the dollar and how the elites steal all the purchasing power from us plebs. And so I'm like, well, I want to hold gold. You know, I'm not trying to save up this fiat. And then when I found out about Bitcoin, I kind of got into Bitcoin. Funding rates. So my understanding of a funding rate is you basically are paying one side, right, in order to keep the price on the derivatives exchanged pegged to the price of the spot, so that you don't have like Bitcoin trading at like 32K on a ByBit derivative futures exchange while spot on Coinbase is at 31K. It's like a corrective thing to make sure the price stays stable. Now, don't quote me on that, because I honestly don't really know. But you have to pay it, or you get paid it, right? And, yeah, well, here, let me read it to you right from the exchange. It says, funding fee is exchanged directly between buyers and sellers. Okay, I was right. At a scheduled time interval, according to the time displayed. When the funding rate is positive, people who are holding longs pay the people who are holding shorts. And when the funding is negative, short holders pay the longs. So, yeah, you're just paying each other. It doesn't tell you why. This thing doesn't tell you why, but I'm pretty sure it's to keep the price stable. I could be wrong. Someone in the chat, if you know, let me know. Do my roasters crow at dawn? They start crowing at like 3 in the morning. Am I adding to my short here on Bitcoin? I am not adding to a short here. I did short the daily. I did short this daily level. But you gotta understand, I'm in 1, 2, 3. I'm in 4 long trades, guys, and 0 shorts. We're at resistance. I have to short it. I have to short it. Even if I get stopped out of this short trade, the risk is worth it. It will be a very small loss, and I still am holding 4 longs. So, the money flow indicator I use, it's an indicator called Market Cipher B. I have a discount in the description, I think. If you use the code JuicyCheeks, you can get a discount. 1 Timothy 4, 1 through 5. I have a different view on it, bro. Like I have a different interpretation of those scriptures. I'd be more than happy to talk about it sometime. But I don't believe the Bible sanctions the eating of pork. I don't believe that. But I know a lot of people do, and that's fine. Do I drink coffee in the afternoon? Heck no. Heck no, I don't, man. No, I drink 1 cup of coffee in the morning. Alright, guys. Well, it's been a great stream. I've got to head out. I've got some family things to attend to. My beautiful wife has prepared a meal for the family. And God bless you all. Thank you so much for being here, guys. May you all be blessed in the name of Jesus, the Messiah. Even if you're not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next stream. Peace.